Hey everybody, we are excited to release another native plant party, Summer Sizzle, which is a 9-plant native garden full of some of our top pollinators. First off, we have Rattlesnake Master, which is a native plant that we released last year, but we're still super excited about how gorgeous and yucca-like foliage it is. It's super tall and pollinators can't get enough of it. The second plant that we're releasing with this bundle is the bee balm or wild bergamot. And one thing's for certain, pollinators are obsessed with these. Their flowers are out of this world. They're bright purple flowers that attract tons of hummingbirds, butterflies, and honeybees. The third plant that comes in this bundle is Phlox Jeana. Jeana has major flower power. It produces tall flower stalks that have bright neon pink blooms that butterflies are unable to resist. Jeana is a reliable native that greets you in the spring year after year. The Summer Sizzle collection, you're going to get 3 of each of these plants along with 1 bag of our magical organic unicorn dew compost. And we'll also include a planting diagram to help make sure you get the most out of how you organize and plant these plants. These bundles, we have limited numbers for our exclusive pre-order program, so don't delay. Lock in your orders now, and your future self will thank you when the honeybees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are dancing with joy all around your yard. And like always, if you make multiple pre-orders, we will bundle them all together for one smooth pickup in the spring. Thanks again for ordering and shopping with us. We look forward to seeing you in spring.